Hello everybody. There is an air leak on this vehicle. It's coming up as a mass airflow surface transit connect 2021. And we're doing a smoke leak test. And as you can see, smoke is coming out from here somewhere. It's gushing out. And it's a very good tool. I recommend this tool to every garage. It's easy to use and really powerful. Our telephone number is 07-533-636-194. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are certified RAC Diagnostic Center as well. Thanks for watching. Thank you.